Oh my God.
So this is everything all packed up.
Today is the day we are leaving California and going to Florida.
Yeah, road trip and flight this morning.
I got my snacks right here, and I brought my phone, and I have my toys and stuff.
I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. Now that we have come to be a brand new life, I can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Bush Squad. Welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, I'm actually right now sitting on the floor. As you can see, I am doing a little bit last minute packing. Well, I'm pretty much done. I just have to pack hubby's clothes, and yes, we are going on summer vacation. I think I mentioned it in the previous vlog that we were getting ready to go on summer vacation. So we leave tomorrow morning for Orlando, Florida, and I'm just, yeah, like I said, finishing up packing. And I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit what I've packed up so far. I've been packing for like the past 3 days, but
Hi guys.
when you guys, yeah, you know, when you have a family of 5, it's a lot to get the packing done. So there's Kalia, she's excited. We're
I just
all
got my nails done.
excited, yeah, to get out of here bright and early tomorrow morning.
But yeah.
So far, this is what I have packed for me. I did use these Temu bags. These really come in handy for packing. For the past 2 trips we went on, I've used these, and these were great. I actually like these better than the packing cubes. So in this first bag, I just have all my clothing, and believe it or not, I have enough outfits in here for over a week, so it's more than enough clothes in there. And then this bag is like, you know, pajamas, socks, underwear, stuff like that is in there. And then I have my shoes in here. I will be packing probably one more pair of shoes in there as well. And then I use these little Ziploc bags right here for, like, you know, stuff that I don't want to spill out in the bag. We decided to use these smaller luggages just, you know, to make it easier on us. So me and hubby will be using a smaller one, and then the kids, since it'll be all 3 of them, they're going to use this bigger one, and I'll open that up in a minute and let you guys see what I packed up in there. And then this here is just my handy dandy carry-on bag that I have all packed and ready to go. Yeah, so let me just finish packing his side over here, and then I'll show you guys when I'm all done packing. So guys, as you can see, I'm using tape when I roll the clothes up, just to tape it down. It just makes it easier to keep everything in place and keep everything in order for when I put it in the bags. Then it can also be more compact as well. I've been packing like this quite often for like the past few years now, and it really does help. So this is everything all packed up, and this suitcase is pretty much ready to go. Like I said, my stuff on this side, all of like our toiletries and stuff. Well, my toiletries, he hasn't even put his in yet, and then his stuff is on this side. So yeah, we are pretty much ready to go. Okay, so this is the kids' bag. I have all 3 kids' things in this one luggage. Everything fit in there nicely the way I have it rolled up in the bags. Everybody has one bag with their clothes for a whole week, and then one bag for underwear, socks, and pajamas and swimsuits and stuff. So yeah, that's how I decided to separate it. And then in this part over here, we just have their toiletries in here. And I'm in the morning, they're probably gonna add more stuff in this part, and then we'll be ready to go. So it's morning, and we're getting ready to head out. Kids just fixing themselves a bite to eat before we leave out. And hubby already came out here and packed up the truck, and we're about to hit the road.
Guys, it's the next morning, and today is the day we are leaving California and going to Florida, 5-hour flight away, and I'm not ready for the flight.
Why?
I'm ready to get there.
Oh yeah, because the flight is too long.
Yep.
Yeah, well hopefully it go faster than what we think.
It's probably not.
Alright guys, so we are in the car, getting ready to head out. Finally got everything all packed up and ready to go. Hubby just went in to do like a last minute check to make sure everything is locked down before we head out and hit the road. We got about an 1.5-hour drive to the airport. So yeah, road trip and flight this morning. But anyways, I'm so excited. Everybody is super excited and tired at the same time because we got up pretty early. Oh yeah, they not, but I am. I bet they didn't sleep. Excitement. But yeah, I don't think I mentioned this is a family vacation. So my husband's parents and siblings and all their kids and husbands and wives are coming along as well. So yeah, it'll be a big family trip. So yeah, we super excited. Let's go.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Basically my dress and then I have my TV. As you guys can see, this is really ugly right here, but yeah, I got my TV and then I got my yeah.
She's all set up. I'm about to choose a movie to watch.
I guess never mind.
Everybody else over there.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love.
So as we were getting ready to land, we were in like the last 20 minutes of our flight. The flight attendant had made an announcement that we couldn't land in Orlando, that we would be landing in Tampa because the next clearance for arrival in Orlando was going to be within the next hour, but we didn't have enough fuel to last the flight for the next hour. So they would have had to make a decision before hours. So therefore, we are going to have to land in Tampa, get fuel, and then take off again to arrive in Orlando. But everybody was upset, including us, on the plane because we were already late, making a late arrival, but then now going to be held back for another hour on the flight. So yeah, it was just very, very frustrating, very scary. Also, there was really bad lightning in the area where we were going to be landing at as well. So the weather was just terrible. As you can see, like the lightning in the background, it was so scary. I've never been on a flight like this before. This is the first time I experienced a scary flight like this. I've had like turbulence and stuff in the past, but never anything nearly as bad as this, guys. So yeah, I just had to make sure I include this part in the video and let you guys see our scary, scary flight experience. But in the end, after all this lightning flashing you guys see and all this bad weather, we did end up arriving in Orlando a whole hour and a half later than what we were supposed to. But it was all good. I'm glad that we made it safe, and I really hope and pray that we never encounter another flight like this one again, because yeah, this kind of like traumatized me for real with flying. But yeah, I don't want to ruin the flight experience for anybody else. It's just, an act of weather, and none of us can control that. So yeah, we didn't see this coming at all. And actually, besides this happening, this was actually a really, really smooth and enjoyable flight. We relaxed most of the way there, and then this happened. At this point right here, it got really, really scary, and I pretty much had to end the recording because I was, oh my God, guys, I was so scared. But in the end, as you can see, we did arrive safely, and we were excited. The excitement came back to be in Orlando, Florida, and enjoy our family vacation.